Hey, what's up, YouTube people? I just arrived here at Bratislava. No, that was a lie. I arrived yesterday at Bratislava. My girlfriend picked me up down at the river, and I was so happy to see her. And she brought me some supplies, and she booked this hotel so I can have a real roof over my head. And yeah, it's really great sitting in a in a dry room after just living in a tent for a week. This will be just a little update because it's kind of complicated uploading stuff on YouTube as long as I'm on the river, because after a whole day of paddling I'm really tired and I have to build up my tent and make something to eat and so on. And yeah, this wouldn't be really good content. So I will post updates in every major city I come through. So the next one will be from Budapest. So there will be about 4 or 5 updates of the whole trip, but I will make a documentary once I come back home. So this, which will be, I think, between 1 and 2 hours long. So there will be all the stuff in it, like stuff about all the people I've talked to and I've met, and I already met awesome and nice people. And so yeah, to this point, the journey has been a real blast. It was really fun, exhausting but fun. My back hurts like shit, so I will tape it a little bit to support it. But everything else went fine, and yeah, now I will show you some pictures and some videos of what happened in the last week, and that's it. If you want to know more about my journey, if you want to stay informed, then just follow me on Facebook. You also find it under Magnets and Miracles AFK, and on Instagram also Magnets and Miracles AFK. So yeah, would be nice to see you there. All right, and that's it. See you next time. Bye.
Aber ich glaube, die Portion ist nicht so groß.